kids. How are you? Enjoyed the vacation a lot? Okay. Now, today you have to learn with me. Okay, excited or not? Excited now? Okay. Then now we start prayer. Okay. Join your hands and close your eyes. Start. Thank you, God, for the words so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Now relax. Now we start meditation. Join your first finger with your thumb. Put your hands on your knee. Sit straight and close your eyes. Now breathe in and breathe out, okay? Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, open your eyes. Now start Om. Okay, close your eyes. Relax. Start it again. Relax. Start it again. Relax. Start it again. Relax. Now last time. Relax. Open your eyes. Rub your palm. Put it on your face. Okay. Okay kids, ready? Now today we will learn numbers. 1 to 50 numbers. Okay. What is this? Butterfly. क्या कर रही है butterfly? Numbers लेके जा रही है. Okay. Now you repeat after me. Okay. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, now 1, 11, 1, 2, 12. 1 3 30, 1 4 40, 1 5 50, 1 6 60, 1 7 70, 1 8 80, 1 9 90, and 2 0 20. Are you repeating now? Okay then. Now, which line is this? 21. 2 1 21. 2 2 22. 2 3 23. 2 4 24. 2 5 25. 2 6 26. 2 7 27. 2 8 28. 2 9 29. And 3 0 30. 3 1 31. 3 2 32. 3 3 33. 3 4 34. 3 5 35. 3 6 36. 3 7 37. 3 8 38. 3 9 39. 4 0 40. Okay, now next. 4 1 41. 4 2 42. 4 3 43. 4 4 44. 4 5 45. 4 6 46. 4 7 47. 4 8 48. 4 9 49. And last 5 0 50. Now today I am here to teach you body parts. Do you know, kids? Our body is made from different parts. They are very important to live healthy lives. Okay? So then you have to repeat after me. Okay? This is my head. This is my head. Come on, children, repeat after me. This is my head. This is my head. This is my forehead. This is my forehead. These are my eyebrows. These are my eyebrows. Come on, speak. Very good. Speak loudly. These are my eyebrows. These are my eyes. These are my eyes. I have 2 eyes. I have 2 eyes. I can see with my eyes. I can see with my eyes. Okay, come on children, very good. Repeat after me. I have 2 eyes. I have 2 ears. I have 2 ears. I listen with my ears. I listen with my ears. Very good, kids. You have wonderful response to me. Okay. Now this is my nose. This is my nose. I have 1 nose. Okay. I have 1 nose. I smell Very good. This is my cheeks. This is my cheeks. This is my mouth. This is my mouth. I talk with you with my mouth. Okay kids, repeat after me. I talk with you with my mouth. This is my teeth. This is my teeth. I chew food with my teeth. I chew food with my teeth. This is my lips. This is my lips. I smile with my lips. I smile with my lips. This is my cheeks. This is my cheeks. Come on children, repeat after me. Very good. This is my cheeks. This is my chin. This is my chin. This is my tongue. Where is your tongue? Show me. Where is your tongue? This is my tongue. Okay, very good. This is my neck. This is my neck. This is my shoulder. Where is your shoulder? We have two shoulders. Yes, these are my shoulders. These are my shoulders. Where is your shoulder? Show me. These are my shoulders. These are my hands. These are my hands. Where is your hands? I clap with my hands. I tap with my hands. Very good. This is my arm. This is my arm. This is my elbow. Where is your elbow? Show me. This is my elbow. This is my wrist. Where is your wrist? This is my wrist. These are my fingers. Where is your fingers? Yay! We have 10 fingers. Okay? And we have 2 thumbs. Okay? Very good. This is my stomach. Where is your tummy? Where is your stomach? Here. This is my stomach. These are my legs. These are my legs. These are my legs. These are my legs. I walk with my legs. I walk with my legs. I jump with my legs. I jump with my legs. This is my knee. This is my knee. I hold my legs with my knee. I hold my legs with my knee. This is my foot. This is my foot. These are my toes. These are my toes. Very good. This is my body parts. These are my body parts. And come on children, repeat after me. I love myself. I love myself. Very good. Okay kids, we will do an activity and you have to tell me which body part is used by me in this activity. Okay? Now, what is this? This is a doll. This is a very beautiful doll. Okay? Right now. Then, if you have want to see this doll, then which body part is used by me? Eyes. Which body part? Eyes. If I close my eyes, I cannot see this doll. Okay? And if I open my eyes, then I can see this beautiful doll. Okay? Then, if I want to see this doll, and if I want to see you, then I have to use my eyes. Okay. Okay. And if I want to drink this water, then which body part I have to use? Mouth. If I want to drink this water, I have to use my mouth. Very good. ये आपको सबको घर पे करना है, ठीक है? Okay. If I want to listen this, which body part is used by me? Which body part? Ears. If I want to listen this bell, I have to use my ears. If I want to listen some music, I have to use my ears. Okay, done? Very good. Okay, now what is this? This is perfume. If I want to smell it, which body parts I have to use? I have to use my nose. Right? If I smell this perfume, I have to use my nose. If I want to smell some flowers, I have to use my nose. Okay, very good. And now, what is this? This is biscuit. What is this? This is biscuit. If I want to eat this biscuit, which body parts I have to use? Teeth. Which body part? Teeth. If I want to eat this biscuit, I have to use my teeth because my teeth chew this biscuit. Okay, very good. And अगर कोई पूछे कि टेस्ट कैसा है बिस्किट का, then which body parts I have to use? Tongue. This biscuit is very sweet. And how can I know this? I know this with my tongue. Okay, very good. Okay, what is this? This is drawing book. And if I want to draw a picture, then which body parts I have to use? Tell me which body parts? Hands. If I want to draw some picture, I have to use my hands. Okay, very good. Okay, now if I want to walk and if I want to jump, then which body parts I have to use? Which body parts? I cannot listen. Say loudly. Which body parts? Legs. Okay. If I want to walk and I want to jump, then I have to use my legs. Okay kids? मजा आई ना आज? ठीक है. तो आपको क्या बोलना है? I love my body. This is my body and I love myself. Okay, done? Okay, bye. Stay home, stay safe. Okay, kids? You having this worksheet now? Okay. Open the worksheet. Okay, then what to do? We have to this body part to match with this object, to related its object. Okay, ready? Now start. Which body part is this? Hand. Which body part is this? Hand. And we wear gloves in our hand. So we have to match hand with gloves. समझ में आया? Done. We have to wear hand gloves in our hands. So we have to match with this. This is eye. This is eye, and we have to match eyes with this speck. Okay, done? Very good. This is ear. This is ear, and we have to match this ear with headphone. We have to match this ear with headphone. Very good. Done now? Okay, now what is this? Hair. What is this? Hair. और hair पे क्या पहनते हैं? Girls. Hairband. Then you have to match this hair with the hairband. Okay, done. मुझसे भी पास कर लिया सबने? Very good. Okay, now other worksheet. Today I explain you 1 to 50 number, right? Then you have to write 1 to 50 number in this worksheet. Okay. Today I had explained you about body parts, and now we will recite the rhymes related to this concept. Okay? Then ready? Ready for rhyme? Okay. Now repeat after me. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes. Now repeat after me. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes. 2 little ears, 1 little nose. फिर से 10 little fingers, 10 little toes. 2 little ears, 1 little nose. 2 little eyes so shine so bright. 1 little mouth to kiss mama good night. फिर से repeat. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes. 2 little ears, 1 little nose. 2 little eyes so shine so bright.